Ah, capinha não, nem vi. Deve estar aqui dentro. Espera, é que eu deve sentar aqui dentro na audição. Senta ali na frente. Senta aqui na frente. Esse é o meu. Esse aqui é o seu, mas eu não tô na tela. See if it's working. 107. See if the 107 is working. This 107. Ready to go? Working. Good. Tá sim a tela, mas tá funcionando o som. Caiu no chão? Alguma coisa não? Não, sabe que eu acho que quando ele levantou, ele botou a mão assim, apoiou. Didn't even feel when you were standing, you pressed this. You didn't feel when you were standing up? You see? Você tá comigo, as espuminhas. A espuminha tá com você? Tá.
तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
My obeisance to Guru Padma, Sasya Maharaj, to the old Vaishnavis here. My again and again Dandavat Pranams, please accept my Dandavat. We're gonna start the Bhagavad Katha by Sukriti from and look from many previous lives. When this rise, then the Jiv, the soul, has taste for Bhagavad Katha. Because the living enters the material world. They are suffering so much in this material world and enjoying the fruits of their actions. When God sees how much the Jeeves are suffering, then Bhagavan in Kali Yuga, Lord, appears as Bhagavatam in the form of Bhagavatam. As this look says, Krishna Sadhama Bhagavate. When Krishna left this material world, after Krishna ended his pastimes in material world, and when he went to material transcendental world, from this moment Kali Yuga began. And then Kali Yuga, the living entities, the Manusha, the human beings, they are very unlucky. They have this not very degraded nature, very low nature. This is the nature of human beings of Kali Yuga. Seeing this condition of the living entities of Kali Yuga, like Bhagavan appears as like the Bhagavatam, which is like a sun. As like when the sun rises at this moment, all the darkness is destroyed. And the brightness or the light of sun spreads everywhere. So in the same way, the Bhagavatam is like it means Surya, sun. So the Bhagavatam is like sun. When manifest in this material world, what happens? All the andhakar, or that means darkness in the heart of living entities, all this goes far away because of the light. And in this moment, all this light comes. The andhakar, darkness, like for example the dacoits, thieves,
या तो ये भूत पिशाच आदि
In the darkness, what the animals, beasts,
ठीक
thieves,
उसी
the
प्रकार
echoes, all they remain in the darkness. The ghosts, the shatis, witches, they stay in the darkness.
हिंस्र
So also,
पशु है एक
हिंसा
भागवत
means
रूपी सूर्य की प्रकाश किरण
bomb.
हृदय की कंदरा में गुफा में
So in our
प्रवेश
cave of our
करने
heart,
के साथ ही साथ
all bad things are inside.
काम क्रोध रूपी
So when the sun comes in the hearts, all this come through the hinsa.
पशु अपने आप दूर होकर के चले जाते हैं।
All these they naturally go away. Hinsa, you don't know? Huh?
इसलिए
Violence.
स्वयं भगवान करुणा करके
So Swami Bhagavan, he
भागवत रूप में प्रकट
appears as the form of
यह
Bhagavatam.
भागवत साक्षात
The Bhagavata is directly the form of God, Bhagavat Swarup. And Padma Puran
महत्तम
explains the Bhagavat Mahatma, which means the glory of Bhagavatam.
वैष्णव गोस्वामी पाद का
So Vyasadeva Goswami says that Bhagavatam is directly Bhagavat Swarup, the form of Bhagavan.
द्वादश
The 12 cantos of Bhagavatam are, Dvadas means, Para means 12. The 12 cantos of Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is composed of 12 cantos. These 12 cantos
भगवान की द्वादश शरीर की अंग माना जाता
are the 12 limbs
है
of God.
द्वितीय स्कंद
The first and second cantos of Bhagavatam
जो चरण
are the 2 feet of God.
चरण पैर
The 2 feet of God.
जैसे चरण छोड़ करके हम चल नहीं सकते
We cannot walk without feet.
पैर हो तो हम चल सकते
If you have feet, then you can walk. So in the same way, the first and second cantos of Bhagavatam
श्रीमद् भागवत भगवान के दो चरण
are the 2 feet, lotus feet of God.
नानी तथा पंचम
This loka says,
द्वितीय तृतीय स्कंद
the third canto
और चतुर्थ स्कंद
and the fourth canto
भगवान के दो
are the 2
उरु कहा गया था इसको
those thighs of God.
पंचम स्कंद
Pancham Skanda, 5th canto,
भगवान की नाभि कमल
are the navel of God. Navel. 5th canto is the navel of God.
और षष्ठ स्कंद
6th canto and 7th,
श्रीमद् भागवतम भगवान के दो
the 2
जाएं बताए
arms of God. Bhagavan's arms.
अब अष्टम स्कंद
8th canto
श्रीमद्
भागवतम
भगवान की जो है
is the Bakasthala means the chest of God.
और नवम स्कंद
9th canto, Navan, 9th,
एक कंठ
is the Kanta means throat.
कंठ
Throat of God.
और दसम में
Dasam, the 10th canto,
दसम स्कंद श्रीमद्
10th
भागवतम
canto of Bhagavatam is
भगवान की
Bhagavan.
मुखारविंद
Mukharavinda means the lotus face of God.
सुंदर मुख
So beautiful,
मुखमंडल
the look, Mukhamanda, the face of God, very round, very beautiful. So the 10th canto is like the face, of, lotus face of God. 11th canto is Lalate, means
भगवान की एक ललाट
Lalate means forehead.
forehead और द्वादश स्कंद
And
भगवान
Dvadas
की
canto,
शिरोदेश
12th, Sirades means the head of God.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
स्वयं भगवान
Swayam Bhagavan,
भागवत रूप में प्रकट
he manifests in the form of Bhagavatam.
ये दो भागवत की कथा हमारे आचार्य के पास
Our acharyas, our masters explain 2 Bhagavatams. One is Grantha Bhagavat, the book. Another Bhakta Bhagavat, the pure devotee of God.
ग्रंथ भागवत
Grantha Bhagavat, which means the book,
आदि अध्ययन श्रवण से
etc.
ज्ञान
If you study and meditate on this, you have gyan, knowledge. But if you serve the devotee of God,
भगवत
you directly,
प्रेम अनुभव
you have realization of the prem
श्रद्धा
towards God.
साधु संग
So
भजन क्रिया
you have these stages: Shraddha, Satsanga, Bhajana, Kriya, Nata, Nivriti, Nistha, Ruchi,
आसक्ति
Ashakti, Bhav, and
प्रेम
Prem.
इसलिए ग्रंथ भागवत
ग्रंथ
और
भागवत।
भागवत
Grantha Bhagavat, Bhagavat. The glories of these 2 Bhagavatams, which means book, and the devotees, our acharyas explain.
भक्त भागवत
But Bhakta Bhagavat, which means the devotee, has a speciality. And our acharyas, they show this.
कहते हैं जहाँ
So,
भागवत पढ़ो
this shloka says, Jahar Bhagavat,
जाने,
Ekanta Asraya
Kuro
Chaitanya.
चरणे
This shloka, Chaitanya Charitam,
चैतन्य चरितामृत में
explains
कृष्णदास कविराज
Krishnadas Kaviraj
गोस्वामी
Goswami,
वर्णन कर रहे हैं।
he explains
ये ग्रंथ भागवत
that Grantha Bhagavad,
अनुशीलन करने के लिए, जानने के
if
लिए,
you want to
अध्ययन
study
करने के लिए
the Bhagavad, the book,
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
what do you have to do?
भक्त
You
भागवत
have
की
to
शरण लेना पड़ेगा।
surrender to Bhakta Bhagavata, which means surrender to the devotee of the Lord. Then
आत्मसमर्पण।
you should surrender your
जब
Atma,
तक हम
your
लोग
soul to the
भक्त
devotee of God.
भागवत की
If you
चरण में
if you
अपने को समर्पित
don't
नहीं
offer
करेंगे,
yourself to
तो
devotee of God,
भागवत हम अनुभव
you
नहीं
cannot
कर
actually
पाएंगे,
have the
ना
realization nor understand the Grantha Bhagavat, the
भक्त
book Srimad
भागवत
Bhagavat.
की
So
महिमा
this is the glory of Bhakta Bhagavat. The glory of devotee of Lord is higher. This means sadhu sangha.
भक्तिस्तु भगवत
As this
संगेन
sloka explains,
परिजायते, सत्संग प्राप्ते बुद्धि सुकृति उपसंचिते। अनेकों जन्म की जब
from
सुकृति
Sukriti,
जब
from many
एकत्रित
previous lives, when this accumulates,
हो, तब
what happens?
हम लोग
We
साधु संग यानी भक्त
get sadhu sangha of Bhakta Bhagavata, devotee of Lord. With the sangha of devotee of Lord, what happens in our heart?
भक्ति देवी
Bhakti Devi manifests.
इसलिए
Therefore,
दोनों भागवत की महिमा
the glories of the two
हमारे
Bhagavatams
आचार्य पादों ने,
are explained and showed by our acharyas, our masters.
इसलिए
Therefore,
ये भागवत की विशेष
the
वैशिष्ट्य
speciality of Bhagavad
हमारे दिखाई।
we are showing.
महत्व की कथा हम लोग इसमें श्रवण करते
Why
हैं।
do we listen this Mahat
उस
Katha?
कथा सुन करके हमारे
When we
हृदय
listen
में
to this Katha,
उत्कंठा जागे।
we become like eager.
भक्त और भगवान की सेवा।
We want to serve Bhakta and
क्योंकि
Bhagavan
किसी के महिमा
if we
जब
listen
हम
this.
नहीं जानते
Because if we
हैं,
don't know the glories of
तो
someone,
उनके पास
Actually,
उनकी सेवा की
we
रुचि नहीं
will not have taste to serve this person.
कोई एक महान व्यक्ति के जब
If we
महिमा कोई ग्लोरिफिकेशन करते हैं,
if we glorify someone very much like a great personality, what happens?
अपने आप
Naturally, our head will bow to this person, we curve our head, and also we'll have Shraddha and Bhakti towards this person, which we listen the glories of. So Vyasadeva Goswami in Padma Purana, what he does, in other Puranas also, he explains the glories of the Bhagavatam and the Bhaktas, the devotees. So first, before glorifying, explaining the Bhagavat, or in the beginning of Bhagavat, what do? We should Kirtan. That means glorify the Bhagavat Mahatma, the glories of Bhagavatam, you know. And very briefly, I will, in front of you, explain the glories of Bhagavatam. You, many times, infinite times, you already heard this. Anyway, according to the rules of Shastra, pediu para você apertar um pouco a boca. Falou que tá, I will explain briefly to you. This very ancient time, Tungabhadra, and here at the banks of this river called Tungabhadra, there was one very rich Brahmin. Very rich Brahmin was living there. His name was Atmadev Brahman. What was his name? Remember, what was his name? Atmadev Brahman. He was very, very much rich. He was very much rich. But what happened? He had no sons and daughters. Therefore, he was so much sad, you know, because in this material world, what the people want? After marriage, they want to get children. Why? Because they want to continue their dynasty. This is the rule of this is the rule? Tradition. This tradition of material world. Who will take care of your wealth after you give up your body, right? People think. So who will be qualified to do that? So people, they want to have children because of that. But Atmadeva Brahman, he didn't have any children, not even one. One day,
दिन इधर उधर
One
भ्रमण
day.
करते करते
walking here and there
एक बगीचे के पास
near one garden. He was seated and he was very
इस
sad.
समय
In this moment,
त्रिकालज्ञ
one rishi that knows present, past, and future,
साधु
one Brahmin sadhu that knows all the present, past, and future, Trikalagya, he came, and then looking at this sadhu, this Brahmin, he grabbed the feet of the sadhu and crying said, Maharaj,
ऐसे संसार के लोग
because
सांसारिक वस्तु प्राप्ति करने के लिए
the people in this world, after getting
संपत्ति प्राप्ति करने के लिए
to get material things like children and other things, they pray to the Santa Mahatmas to get material things. In the same way, this Atmadev Brahman,
रोने
he was crying and crying.
तब संत महात्मा
And then Santa Mahatma said, okay,
मैं आपको बताता हूँ
I'll tell you,
रोने से क्या होता है
what will you have a benefit for crying, of crying? What will happen if you
सब
cry so
अपने
much?
आप हम कर्मों को लेकर के आए
Actually, we are only like
देखो हम लोग जितने ही एक बार भी बैठे
getting
हैं,
this karma. For example, we are here
सब
seated
अपने
now.
अपने कर्म ही
All of,
हमारे पास
we all have our karma, right?
है कि नहीं?
Right or wrong?
सुख और दुख
Sukha, dukh, happiness or distress.
ये दो फल हमारे
These
पास
two
हैं।
fruits, they are with us. We have to,
उपनिषद में कहते हैं,
suffer
क्या
or
कहते
enjoy.
हैं?
What the Upanishad
दास,
says,
सुवर्ण, विजया, विक, समन,
this look.
कविस, दास सुवर्ण सुवर्ण सुजा समन विक कविस जाए होते हैं। ये देहरूपी एक वृक्ष है।
These are bodies like a
ये
tree.
देहरूपी वृक्ष
In this
में
tree, briksha tree,
दो डाल हैं।
there are two branches, dal, branches.
उस डाल में
In
दो
these branches,
पक्षी
there are two
बैठे
pakshis,
हुए हैं।
which means
एक
birds.
परमात्मा रूपी
One is
पक्षी
the
और
bird of
एक
Paramatma and another bird of the soul.
आत्मा परमात्मा।
So Atma and Paramatma, two birds sitting in the in these two branches of the tree of our body. And there is a black screen between them.
परमात्मा रूपी पक्षी
This bird, which is
जीवात्मा
Paramatma,
रूपी पक्षी की जो है,
he can see the other bird of soul, what he's doing.
किंतु जीवात्मा रूपी
But
पक्षी
this bird, which is the soul,
परमात्मा रूपी पक्षी को
cannot
देख नहीं
look, cannot see this bird, which is Paramatma, because there is a black screen between them.
पाता। एक पर्दा।
This is the Maya, this black screen.
भगवान ने परमात्मा के माया स्पर्श नहीं करने पाए।
Bhagavan he doesn't touch Maya.
इसलिए परमात्मा
He's not touched by Maya.
सर्वत्र विराजमान
That's
होते
why
हैं, सर्वत्र दर्शन।
Paramatma can see everything. He's like a
साक्षी, साक्षी।
Sakshi, he's like a witness of everything. Bhagavan says, like as in the form of Paramatma,
साक्षी के रूप
I'm
में।
Sakshi Kerupa, in the form of witness, I stay in everyone's
और
hearts.
जीवात्मा रूपी पक्षी
But their soul, which is like a bird
तो
as
फल
well,
के जो है वो
he's tasting these two kinds of fruits. He's tasting two kinds of fruits.
फल क्या है?
Which are these two kinds of fruits?
और दुख।
Sukh and dukh, which means happiness and distress. These are two fruits. What is these fruits? Actually, these fruits, according to their own karma, to the Atma own karma, he's enjoying these fruits.
कभी दुखी होते हैं।
Sometimes the persons are dukhi, means unhappiness, and sometimes happy.
हम चलते जा रहे हैं। जन्म जन्मांतर
We are birth after birth chasing after this
अनंत
fruits
करोड़
of
जन्म इसी प्रकार
happiness.
उसी फल को
And not only these, many lifetimes we're searching the same kind of thing.
अनंत काल उसी
From
प्रकार चलते
infinite
जा
time, Anantakal, this happens same. We're searching for
रहे हैं।
this
ये
fruit,
सुख
which
के
is
कारण क्या है?
this happiness. But
कभी हम अच्छी कर्म कर लेते हैं।
what is why sometimes we get
हम
this
कभी
happiness or distress? Because sometimes we do good things, sometimes bad things. Sometimes we do pap karma, which means sin, and sometimes we do piety, punya. According to this pap and punya, sinful and pious activities, we are wandering this material world. Since a limited time, we are Brahman, means wandering material world. And not only one Brahmanda. Brahmanda means universe or planetary system.
अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्म एक अनंत एक नहीं अनंत
Not
ब्रह्मांड
one. There are infinite Brahmandas. We cannot even think about it, how many there are. Infinite.
एक ब्रह्मांड नहीं
Not one. Ananta, infinite. Many Brahmandas. Which means universe or
और
planetary
उसी को हम भोगते हैं।
system. And we're wondering this.
एक सेठ जी था
One wealthy person.
बड़ा पसंद एक कथा
I'll tell you one katha.
तो एक कथा की
Later I will come back to Atmadeva Brahmin Katha, but there was one wealthy person.
बहुत
he was so much generous, he was very much generous, you know. What
लोगों के जब कर्ज देते थे,
the people
पैसा देता था।
the people
जैसे
would,
किसी के बेटी के विवाह हो,
for example, when somebody wants some money to marry her daughter,
पैसा नहीं है, तो ये कहते थे,
if a person has not money to marry his own daughter,
ये मेरा
then
बेटी
he
के
comes to
विवाह-
this rich person and said, please, I want some money to marry my daughter. But this wealthy person said, oh, okay, no problem.
जाओ,
Okay,
पैसा लिया।
take this money. He would give money to everyone, you know, like
वो
lend
ब्याज
money.
नहीं लेते थे, क्या नहीं लेते थे?
He would not take interest, right?
इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते,
Not take interest.
पैसा लिया।
Take the money. He would give money, you know, very
फिर
easily.
उसके मुनीम के पास
I mean, lend the money
डॉक्यूमेंट
very
में
easily.
लिखना पड़ता था,
But there was some document,
ये पैसा तुम
like some person would help me, but would help him writing. When the person would pay the money
भाई जो
back,
वापस देने वाले हैं,
those who want to pay the money back, they say, okay, I'll pay you I'll pay you back this money in this life. Today, tomorrow, sometime I will pay you. Anytime. What would they say? Those who want to pay the money back, they would say, okay, they rightly say, in this life I'll pay. Anytime I'll pay. But those who don't want to pay back the money, will not pay it back, they'll say, okay, next life I'll pay back. Because next life we'll see if you pay or not. Those who are very like evil or like a hypocrite people, what would they say?
ये कब चुकाएंगे?
When you want to pay back?
अगले जन्म।
Agle Janma means next
मुनीम
life.
ने लिख लेता।
Then this like there was a helper, one person was writing everything. He would write, okay,
कर्ज जो ले रहा हूँ,
I'm taking
इस जन्म में
I'm
और
taking
अगले जन्म में।
this law and I'll pay back this life or next life. Only this they would write, you know. And then the person sometimes would write, Agle Janma means next life I'll pay back.
एक दिन एक चोर
Then what happens? One day, one very evil and chor means thief came to this wealthy person and saw, wow, this man is so generous, so much generous. This man, he like loans money to everyone very easily.
पैसा तो देना ही नहीं है, इसलिए वो झूठ मूठ कहने लगे, सेठ जी,
The thief came to this wealthy person and said, "Oh, Sergi, I want to marry my daughter. Please give me some money." This wealthy man said, "Okay, good, no problem. Go to this person who was like writing all the people who were getting the loans and all, and tell him how much money you want." Then the thief came to this person and said, "I want 5,000 rupees.
ये पर
Please.
साइन करो।
Okay, you have to sign here. Remember, what do you have to sign? You have to sign if you want to pay back this money. This, you have like there's no option. You want to pay back in this life or next life. But this chor, this thief was very like evil now. He was like
अच्छा, मुनीम
evil
को ये
person.
बोली को, और
And then he said that he would pay back in the next life.
अच्छा, सेठ जी के पास आ गया,
And then he came back to the wealthy person.
सेठ जी अपने
And then Sarji, this wealthy person, opened his like a chest, right? Tizori, chest?
एक हाथ में आओ, सेठ जी के
Safe. He's safe and took the money.
इतना पैसा कहाँ है?
And the thief saw that inside the chest, inside the safe,
आ जाएंगे,
the vault, he had so much money.
लूट करके ले।
So much money. And the thief thought, okay, I'll come back later. What, 5,000?
अगले जन्म क्या बात है? कुछ नहीं देखा उसका अगले जन्म।
And then I'll come back and I'll steal everything.
5,000 रुपया तो ले गए,
So he took 5,000 rupees and he was thinking, the thief was thinking, I'll come back this evening,
तो रात को जो आ गए,
night time. When he came back the night to try to steal everything. Tabi. So, but near in this wealthy person's house, there was like a cow shed, you know, and there were,
आधी रात हो जाए,
and this thief, he was hidden there, and
सब सो
with the
जाएंगे,
cows, you know,
बिल्कुल
the
सब।
cow shed, everybody was sleeping
और उस
in the
समय
house,
जाकर के बाद
and he was hidden there,
तोड़ करके सब लूट करके चले।
and he was thinking, well, I'll open the chest, the vault of the person,
बात बता,
safe, and I'll steal all the money. But I'll tell you one thing.
उसमें वो चोर होने पर
This
भी
thief, although he was thief, this person, he know the Pashu ke bhasha means the,
चोर होने पर भी वो
although he
चोर
was thief, he knew the language of the animals.
एक भैंस दूसरी भैंस
So one buffalo told to another buffalo, "Hey buffalo, from which gaon village you came out? From that village.
हमारे गांव कौन सा है?
For example, your village. Which one is your village?
बल्लीपाल। हमारे गांव कौन सा है?
What's your village? Which village you came?
कोई भी गांव बोलो।
Okay, any person, different people came from different villages, right?
तो उसी एक भैंस कहने
So
लगे, दूसरे भैंस
one buffalo told to another buffalo,
गांव से लेकर।
I came from this gaon, this village. Okay.
अच्छा तू बता,
Okay, tell me one thing.
इस
One buffalo asked to another
भैंस में
buffalo,
तुमने बताया।
why did you become buffalo?
मैं
You know,
किसी
the
ने
other
ना
said, you know,
इस
previous
सेठ जी
life,
से
in the previous life,
पैसा लिया था।
I took money from
मैंने
these
कहा
wealthy persons
मुझे 5,000
and I
रुपया
told
दे दो
him, please
और
give me
अगले जन्म में
5,000 rupees
चुका दो।
and in the next life I will pay you
अगले
back.
जन्म में दे दो।
I told him I would pay back in the
किंतु
next life,
दे नहीं पाया।
but I didn't.
तो इसलिए मैं भैंसा होकर के
I
जन्म
came
लिया
back.
और दूध
I didn't pay him back in that life, so I came
शरीर
back
की
in
खून
this
को
buffalo body.
अगर के मैं उनको
And when I
ऋण
give
चुका रहा हूं।
when I give the milk, because I'm his buffalo, so I'm giving him milk,
इसके मतलब अगले जन्म में
and
मुझे क्या
through
बनना
this
पड़ेगा?
milk I'm paying back.
भैंसा बनना पड़ेगा। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।
I'm paying back the money. I'm getting rid of my debts with the milk. So this
ये वास्तव
thief,
मैं
thief,
जिससे ये ऋण ले लेता हूं,
oh my God, I'll have to
अच्छा
come back
करता हूं,
as a buffalo. And
अगले
okay.
जन्म में
So if we
किसी जन्म में
do
उसको
some bad thing to some person, if we're like hypocrite, anything,
नास्तिक बनो
talk
और
about.
नास्तिक बनो।
Anyway, you have to come back, huh?
भगवान के
Yeah, you have to
दरबार
come
में
back and pay the debt in next life.
धोखा नहीं दे सकते। अरे इस जन्म में किसी के
हाँ?
धोखा दे दिया,
You cannot cheat the God.
छल कपट कर दिया, डुप्लीसिटी हिपोक्रेसी कर दिया, किंतु भगवान की
You can.
खाते
You
में
think you can do duplicity, hypocrisy and all, but you cannot
गधे होकर के
cheat God. Maybe
ऐसा होकर
in
के
form of dog or buffalo.
किसी न किसी प्रकार से वो ऋण तुम्हें
In any type of form, you have to come back and pay your debts.
बेटा होकर तुमको जन्म
Or maybe you
दिया।
have to come back as the son of that person, or and serve that person to pay back your debts. You know, this in the
मैं
material
मानो
world.
ना मानो, मैं सच बताता हूँ।
Maybe you believe it or not, but I'll tell you the truth.
सब ऋण चुकाने के लिए सब बैठे हैं।
We are here only to pay the debts of we have with other people. Sometimes we're someone's mother, father, wife,
कुछ न कुछ
or, you know, brother, etc. We come in this family
ऋण चुकाने के
to
लिए सब हम बैठे हुए हैं।
pay our debts we have with the people. You know, you have to pay your debts.
उसके पैखाना पेशाब सब करना पड़ेगा।
Pega pisna?
हैं? तुम सोच रहे हो मेरा प्यारे बेटा है।
Huh? You think, oh, he's my darling daughter, my darling son.
और फिर जब तुम्हारे उनके ऋण
But
चुक
when
जाएगा,
he paid all,
और वो कहेगा,
when you paid all his debts with him, he will say bye bye, bye bye. He'll go away from your life.
सब एक दूसरे के ऋण
We
चुकाने
are
के
all
लिए सब
taking
आए।
the debts we have with each other, paying the debts. You know, you may believe or not.
चलते जा रहे हैं।
So in this material world, everything is like this, going like this, like this.
तो यदि कहे महाराज
If you say Maharaj,
तो ये ऐसे चीजें चलते रहे कब
If
तक
things
हम
are like
ऐसे
this,
चलते रहेंगे
until when will like
कब तक हम
be going like this, paying our debts all the
और
time?
इससे मुक्ति कैसे
How to be free from this thing? Maybe you thinking about this, you know,
क्योंकि इससे हम किसी
because
प्रकार से
if
सेवा
we
ले लिया, ले लिया,
if we serve, if we get the seva from someone or get the money from someone
चुकाना पड़ेगा। या कोई
or
एक
give
reaction
anything,
नहीं,
you have to,
opposite reaction।
because for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Is the
प्रत्येक वस्तु की
Newton theory.
क्रिया समान और विपरीत होती है।
For everything there's like a
देना
result.
पड़ते हैं।
You have to give.
भगवान
Back.
के खते में सब लिखा हुआ है। तुम इनके
Everything's
बेटा
written.
होके कब तक रहोगे, तुम इनसे
How much
पिता
time
होके कब तक रहोगे,
you'll be with your daughter, if your father, how much time you have to serve them, what you have to do or not. These are all written.
चित्रगुप्त सब
Chitragupta,
लिख करके रखते हैं।
he writes everything.
चित्रगुप्त मानस का मतलब क्या है?
Chitragupta means
और तुम्हारे चित्र माने फोटो।
he's taking your photo
गुप्त
all the
रूप में
time.
सब
Hidden photo.
खींच रहे हैं। तुम सोचो
He's
लोग
taking.
दिखाई-
You think nobody's looking?
हैं? वो क्या क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा लोग-
You know, like a
हाँ? CCTV कैमरा लगा
CCTV,
हुआ
a
है।
camera, you know, security
आपको
camera, this
दिखाई
kind of
नहीं
thing.
पड़ रहा
You
है,
don't
मतलब
see the
वो
camera.
एक कोने में लगा हुआ है।
They put in the corner, like, you know, the security
आप
camera.
घूम रहे हो, नहीं हो रहे ना?
You're doing
और
things,
ऊपर में
and
जो बैठे हैं,
but
उसके पास टीवी में वो सब
there's a
दिखाई
person
पड़ रहा है।
watching everything what you're doing
उसी
from
प्रकार
a camera.
चित्रगुप्त,
In the same way, the
वो
Chitragupta,
चित्रगुप्त अर्थात तुम्हारे सारे चित्र के जो
He's
गुप्त
taking
रूप में वो
hidden
लिख करते जा रहे हैं।
photos of you. Like she's taking a picture right now, you see?
दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है।
You don't even realize, but he's taking the pictures of what you're doing.
आइए कथा में
Okay, let's go back to the katha.
वो संत महात्मा
Santa
कहने
Mahatma
लगे,
told,
हे आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण,
oh, Atmadev Brahman,
सप्त जन्मावधि
for seven births, it's not possible for you to get children, daughters or sons, because you didn't do the karma which allows you to have children, because it's written in Shastra.
पुण्य पुत्र तपे राजा पूर्व जन्म में जैसे
If you did punya karma, piety in previous life, according to this punya, according to this
उसी प्रकार पुत्र बनना प्राप्ति होता है।
punya or pap, you will have the children.
जैसे जैसे कर्म करते रहते हैं
Like
उस
son.
कर्मों के
According to the
अनुसार
karma you did, according to this karma,
आपके पुत्र बनना प्राप्ति होता
you'll have children or daughter,
है।
sons and daughters.
Dhritarashtra,
for example, Gandhari, they did this question to Vyasadeva, you know.
कि हम लोग अंधे होकर के क्यों जन्म लिए?
Why did I was born blind?
मैं अंधा होकर क्यों
Why did I was born blind? Why was I? And why
सब पुत्र का
I had 100 sons, and why all the 100 sons I had died? Dhritarashtra asked this.
वैष्णव ने
Vyasadeva, what he did, he answered this question.
कि तुमने ऐसे
You know, you did,
पक्षियों को जो है
you,
छोटे-छोटे घोंसले में
there were some very small birds, and you killed this,
मार करके जम करके खा लिया जिनके आँख तक
you killed this, killed the birds in the nest.
इसकी कथा आगे बताएंगे
Huh?
जैसे जैसे कर्म
Ah, and then you ate these birds.
उन सबको देखिए पुण्य
Ate them.
पुत्र और आपके
That's why
राज्य
you were born like blind, and then your sons died.
किसी को अच्छी है किसी को बुरी क्या करें
What will you do?
पत्नी अच्छी है
If your wife is good,
कोर्स में हमारे घर में झाड़ू लगाएगी
she'll clean the house with
झाड़ू तुम्हारी पीठ पर लगाएगी
she'll broom use the broom to clean the floor. If she's not good, she'll use the broom to beat your back. What can we do?
पत्नी जो है
If the
आंगन
patni,
पर झाड़ू लगाती है
the wife,
और कुछ पत्नी
some wives they use the broom to sweep the floor. Some wives they use some wives use the broom to hit the back of the husband. But where they use the broom to sweep or to hit you depends on your karma.
पुण्य पुत्र भाग्य भाग्य और तपे राजा पूर्व जन्म में जैसे जैसे तपस्या
If you did austerity in previous lives,
दिया
Tag Baragi, for very renounced in previous lives, according to this renunciation,
सुख आदि प्राप्ति
you'll achieve happiness. This
दान
Raja,
पुण्य आदि नहीं किया
if you didn't give in charity anything, then
जीवन
how?
में कभी संत महात्मा के
No,
दान नहीं
if you
किया
didn't give in donation to Santa Mahatma, if you went to the temple and
रुपया नहीं चढ़ाया
didn't give in even 1 rupee,
अगले जन्म में कहाँ से मिलेगा
how can you get this in next life? You can see in material
एक
world.
व्यक्ति के पास
One
लाखों
person
करोड़ रुपया
has
है,
so much,
रखने की जगह नहीं।
billions,
कहाँ स्विस बैंक में कहाँ रखते हैं?
billions rupees, so many banks, money in bank accounts, Switzerland, everything. But one person has not even money to eat.
एक व्यक्ति
1 paisa,
बहुत
1 cent to
कष्ट से
eat. One person has so much difficulty
जीवन के जो है चला
to,
और एक व्यक्ति ठाट बाट से
to maintain his life.
एक
But
व्यक्ति
another
जहाँ
person very
पैसा
easily.
डाल देते हैं
One
और
person, if he invests money anyway, in anywhere, he gets so much money in return. But another person invests some money in anything, and everything goes like bankrupt.
नहीं है,
What is the reason for that?
हमारे हाथ में नहीं है
This is not in our hands.
वो सब
Everything is
पहले ही सब
first. Everything is written.
तो आइए
Okay, coming back.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण के
Atmadev
बाद
Brahmin,
कहने लगे
he's told.
वो संत महात्मा कहने लगे मैं
Santa Mahatma told him,
सप्त
for 7 births,
तुम्हारे पुत्र का नाम है
you cannot have any children.
इसे आशा के छोड़ दो
Give up this hope of having children. Oh, Atmadeva Brahmin, listen to what I'm saying.
असार खुद संसार दुख रूपी विमोहक सुदम दस धनम दस कसानुलेपन और ये संसार में कोई सार वस्तु नहीं है असार को संसार
In this material world, actually not essential. Everything only unhappiness. Nothing really matters here.
भगवान की इच्छा में जब तुम
According to the desire of God, if you don't have, according to God, you don't have any children, so why you're crying? Just do Bhagavad Bhajan. If this is like that, so good. If God gave you good, if He didn't give you good, don't ask. Do simply the bhajan, Bhagavad Bhajan. Chant Guru Mantra and Harinam.
किंतु देखो भाई जिनके मन विषय में आसक्ति हो जाता ना हजार उसे कुछ समझाओ उसे कुछ
But if a person has so much one thing in his mind, you can
बुद्धि
tell
आपके
1,000
मन जाता है ना
times, a person will not understand, not change his mind.
क्योंकि हजार समझाने पर भी
Maybe if I try thousand times make a person understand, he will
जैसे
not understand.
बंजर भूमि जैसे कोई चीज जमीन में कोई
Ah,
फसल
okay,
कुछ
like
नहीं होता।
barren land, barren land.
बंजर भूमि में
Like
यदि आप
if you
बीज को
put
बो दिया
some
जाए,
seed in a barren land,
वो क्या उगेगा?
what will happen? That seed will sprout? No, because the land is barren, cannot grow anything. Nothing will happen.
तुलसीदास जी लिख रहे हैं।
Tulsidas Ji explained this. If you try 1,000 times explain something to a person like that, do Bhagavad Bhajan. Who will do the Bhagavad Bhajan? Oh no, Maharaj, give me one son, please. You'll ask. This Trikalagya Santa Mahatma said to this Brahmin, okay, I'll give you a son. This Trikalagya Santa Mahatma, what did he do? He gave a fruit, and he put a mantra inside the fruit, After chanting a mantra, he gave the fruit to the Brahmin and said, go give this fruit to feed your wife this fruit. What was the name of his wife? Dondoli. You know everything. The Dondoli. बजाने वाले?
बहुत शौकीन थी वो खाने पीने में,
Quick.
बहुत साथी थी वो। कुछ लोग स्त्रियां ऐसी होती है,
there's some
खाने पीने में अपने में मस्त रहती है।
there's some ladies
और
like this.
ऐसी था ऊपर से एक और अंदर
Externally they show one thing, but internally another thing.
अंदर बाहर अलग होता है।
Whether externally and internally is different. Like when Atmadev Brahmin came to the house, show, oh my Patidev, my husband. He wanted to serve so much his Brahmin, his husband, sorry. And when his husband went out of the house, but what would she do? Chakra? So much conflicts and fighting. Some people have this kind of nature, This kind of degraded nature, evil nature. Externally, they show one thing, but internally they're another thing, Some people are like this. His wife are like this. This one kind of like the dark nature, like dusta swabhav, evil nature. Continue. This Santa Mahatma gave his fruits to his wife, and his wife that should have a Bhakta devotee son. But according to the Bhagavad, I tell you, what the sannyasi told Atmadev Brahmin, for 7 janmas, for how many janmas? How many births? For 7 births, you cannot not possible for you to have children. You didn't do the karma enough. For 7 births, you cannot have children. So how would he get the children? Because Tagat is the power, the strength, the Shakti of the Santa Mahatmas, the sadhus. Because Bhagavan makes the possible impossible possible. This look says. Yes, okay. I told what the Santa Mahatma said. For 7 births you cannot have any children. So how can he give the fruit, right? This is the power of, because of the strength of bhajan of Santa Mahatma, he can change this. And even there? Crow. What the crow do? He stays under the neem tree and saying ka ka ka, the crow, Have you seen a crow? Karkas? Huh? He's speaking all this ka ka ka, very ugly sound. He's very ugly. And he has this evil nature a little bit also. Those who like eat bad things, they also smell bad, right? Those who eat bad things smell bad. And what the crow do? They cannot see from the 2 eyes at the same time. There's one story very nice also about this as well. The son of Indra called Jayanta. Remember, one Sita Ji. Who did this? Who threw the arrow? Who threw the arrow? So what happens to the crow? He's blind from one blind from one eye. Sorry, he's very evil. So
साधु संग में आ जाए
If a person with evil nature, even if he has sadhu sangha and
तो
sat
साधु
sangha,
संत महात्मा क्या करते हैं उसके भी
what the sadhu sangha, the
गुरु
sadhu
बनाते हैं।
does?
गुरु क्या करता है? भगवान की सेवक बनते हैं, भगवान की
Makes them into guru.
पीठ पर लेकर
हाँ?
पीठ पर
Makes them
लेकर
into guru.
Guru?
भगवान की सेवक गुरु
God's vehicle.
इसलिए
हाँ,
कहते हैं
What about Guru? Okay, sorry, I didn't get that.
संत महात्मा के ऐसे प्रभाव है
So this is the influence of Santa
जो
Mahatma.
होने वाला नहीं उसको करा दे सकते। इसलिए वो संत महात्मा अपने भजन के प्रभाव पर कहा
According to the strength of the
इस
Santa
फल
Mahatma,
को
he
जो है
said,
अपने पत्नी को
you
खिला।
feed this fruit to your
आत्मदेव
wife.
ब्राह्मण प्रसन्न
And Atmadeva
हुए
Brahmin,
और वो फल
he was
को
very
लेकर
happy.
अपने पत्नी
He
को
took this
दिया।
fruit and gave to his
देखो,
wife
ये
and said,
फल
oh,
खाने से
if you eat this fruit, you will be pregnant
और तुम्हें सुंदर पुत्र के भी
and also you'll get a very beautiful
जन्म।
son. You'll have give birth to a very beautiful son.
मन विचार करने
But
लगे,
Dunduli was speaking like this in her mind.
कहाँ से कौन फल रहा है, कौन
Hey,
संत
which
महात्मा-
fruit? Which Santa Mahatma gave this fruit?
कौन सा संत महात्मा क्या
Which Santa
कौन जाने?
Mahatma? Who knows?
अरे हमारे पतिदेव के तो अक्ल
Ah,
नहीं। जहाँ तहाँ जाते हैं
No intelligence.
my Patidev has no intelligence. My husband has no intelligence.
फल देते, फल खाने से भी पुत्र होता है।
If you
अरे
eat on
फल
fruit,
खाने
you
से
have
पुत्र
baby.
होता है, कितने स्त्रियां फल खाती रहती
How
हैं।
many ladies they eat fruits and don't get pregnant? Oh.
फल खाने से भी हो जाए।
If you
अरे
be
फल
pregnant
बेचने
only
वाले
by
की पुत्र
eating
कमी नहीं
fruits,
होती है।
then what?
फल बेचने वाले
One
की
who
भी नहीं होती है।
sells, one who sells fruit,
Ah.
they don't even have
बेकार की बात है
second
सब।
daughter.
फिर मणि
For those who
मणि
sell the
पूछने
fruits, they
लगी,
also don't get pregnant like this. What will happen to me if I eat these? I don't know.
इसलिए उन्होंने क्या की
So what his wife did,
उस फल को जो है
she took
अपने
this fruit
गाय को दिया।
and gave them to the cow.
और रातों रात अपनी कोई सहेली है उसको
And she
देखो,
was talking to her friends. Ratorat means
तुमको
during the
मैं
night?
पैसा दूं।
During the night she said to one
वो
friend,
गर्भवती 1 महीने की गर्भवती फिर देख
her friend,
तुम जब ये बच्चा प्रसव करोगे ना मुझे दे
she was
दो।
pregnant
अब
1
तुमको
month.
मैं ये पैसा देता हूँ ला पैसा। क्योंकि मनी मन और विचार
She was
करने
thinking like
लगी
this.
कहीं हो सकता है
Can be that
फल खा लिया तो गर्भ ना हो जाए
if
फिर
I
क्या
eat
मन
this
हो
fruit,
गया? एक तो मनी मन विचार करने
if I eat
लगी
this
कि
fruit, I'll
फल
be
खाने
pregnant.
से भी
One way she was
पुत्र
thinking.
ना हो जाए तो मैं कितने जन्म तक फल कितने बार तो मैं फल खाते आ रहा हूँ
कितने बार?
गर्भ तो हुआ ही नहीं। और ये सब
हाँ?
How many times?
How many times what?
How about being eating fruit?
How many times I ate fruit and not being pregnant like this? Which mandir, which Santa Mahatma my husband met, which kind of... If I eat the fruit, I'll be pregnant. Really? She was thinking like this, one part of her mind. Another part of her mind, she was thinking, oh, but Santa Mahatma, they're really powerful. And like, no.
पेट में गर्भ धारण हो जाए
Maybe I'll really be pregnant if I eat this.
पता नहीं है
But I don't
पेट
know.
में बच्चा आ गया
If I have
प्रसव में कितने कष्ट होगा
if I have a son, how many problems will
पेट
come?
बड़ा हो जाएगा
I'll be very
चोर आ जाएंगे,
big belly.
डकेत
I'll be
आ
very
जाएंगे।
fat, big belly. Then will be a thief will come.
लूट करके ले
He'll
जाएंगे।
take all the
लूट करके
wealth in my
ले
house.
जाएंगे। मैं भाग नहीं पाऊंगी
I will not be able to run
पेट बड़ा
away because I'll be, a pregnant person, very huge belly, cannot walk, so I'll not be able to escape from if a thief comes in my house.
सो नहीं पाऊंगी नहीं तो
I'll also
बेकार
not
की
be
बात
able
है।
to sleep if I get pregnant. She was thinking like this. This is all, very terrible. So what she did, this wife,
धुंधली ने क्या की अपने पेट में से कुछ कपड़ा बांध दिया
she put some cloth in her belly to pretend she was pregnant.
प्रचार कर दिया
She was
कि
pretending.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण की पत्नी गर्भवती हुई धुंधली में
And her husband was thinking she was pregnant.
ऐसे करते करते
Doing like this,
9 महीने बीत गए
9 months passed.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण बहुत प्रसन्न
Atmadeva
हुए
Brahmin was very happy.
और देखते देखते 9 महीने 10 दिन की जब हो
After
गया
9 months and 10 days,
देखा कि आश्चर्य की बात है
one thing very wonderful
उसी
happens.
रात में
In that night,
और जिस गाय को फल खिला दिया
remember she gave the fruit to the
उस
cow.
गाय ने एक
That
बच्चा
cow,
दिया।
gave birth to a baby.
लाल की
Jai.
क्योंकि संत महात्मा के दिए हुए जो फल
But the
बेकार
Santa
थोड़ी जाता है।
Mahatma gave the fruit, so that fruit never go in vain.
बच्चे को प्रसव कर दिया
So the cow gave birth to a very beautiful boy.
हाथ पैर बिल्कुल मनुष्य के
Hands,
हाथ में।
legs,
केवल
everything.
कान जो
But
है,
he had 2 ears as like cow ears. So that's why his name was Gokarna, the boy's name, Gokarna.
और वो धुंधली ने क्या
Like
की?
cow's
रातों
ears.
रात अपने
And
सैनिक
Dundili, during the night, remember, she told her friend she would give some money in exchange of a baby.
कहा दिया लोगों की कहा दिया ये मैंने एक बच्चा को पूछा
So her friend
ये
got the
तो
baby and gave her a
ब्राह्मण
baby.
के भी पता नहीं
But Atmadev Brahmin, the husband didn't
देखो
know anything
हल्ला हो
about
गया
that.
भगवान
And
जिसको
everybody
देते हैं, कैसे देते हैं?
started speaking that
छप्पर फाड़ करके देते हैं देखो
that
अरे
how much
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण के इतने
Atmadev
साल
Brahmin,
हो गया, कोई
for
बच्चा
how many
नहीं
years,
था,
for how many
और
years he
बच्चा
didn't
तो
have
हो ही
any
गया,
children,
और साथ
and now
ही
he had a
साथ
son,
उसके गाय
and
भी
also his cow
बच्चा थी।
gave birth to a son as well. Everybody was
और
like,
गाय
you
में
know,
बछड़ा हो तो
talking
कोई
about
बात नहीं है,
his
मनुष्य
happiness.
जैसे।
And the cow gave birth to not a like baby
हल्ला हो
calf,
गया,
but to
सारे
a
गांव के लोग
human being. So everybody was like talking about his like luck,
गाय
you
से
know,
कैसे बच्चा
how this cow gave birth to a human being, you know, amazing.
सभी लोग आनंद
Everybody was in Ananda Utsav,
आत्मदेव
you
ब्राह्मण
know,
ने
festival
दोनों बच्चे को जो है
of
लेकर के बहुत सुंदर रूप में
Ananda.
पुत्र महोत्सव मनाया
And then he did the Putra Mahotsav festival for
इतने
the
आनंद होने
son.
लगे देखो
He was so much happy, you know. How can I, you know?
इसको बेटा नहीं था आज
He didn't have any son. Now his cow gave birth to a human being, a
आत्मदेव
son.
ब्राह्मण
How
ने क्या की
much happy, you know,
ब्राह्मणों को
Ananda.
बुलाया
And he called the
और
Brahmins,
जात संस्कार भी
did the
कराया
Jata Samskar,
दान दक्षिणा
did
दिया
Samskar for when a baby is born. He gave so much donation, you know, he did a big Utsav festival.
ऐसे करते करते दोनों
Doing like
बच्चे
this, the two kids,
बड़े होने लगे
they grew up.
जो गाय के जो बच्चे गोकर्ण नाम रखा
The
गाय से बच्चे
Gokarna,
हुई,
which
इसके
was
नाम,
the Gokarna was the name of the
और
baby of the
धुंधुली
cow.
से जो बच्चा हुई
And the baby
उसके
that
नाम रखा
Dunduli
क्या?
got, the name was Dundukari.
नाम भी ऐसी है
The
माँ
name is like
कैसी
this,
है? और
like mother, like
बेटा भी ऐसी है
son.
धुंधली बचाने वाली और
Dunduli bachane wali?
धुंधुकारी क्या है भूत
Create
पिशाच होते हैं
like
ना
problems.
Ata, Dunduli, the wife, she was so much
धुएं के भांति
creating
होता है
problems
भूत
all the
पिशाच
time.
कैसे होता है
How
धुआं के भांति
the, how the Duma means?
Smoke.
स्मोक
Oh, okay.
भूत और कुछ नहीं है भूत
The-
कभी
the
भी वायु
ghosts.
आकार धारण कर लेते
The
हैं
ghosts,
उनके वायवी शरीर होता है
they have this like a airy body, you know? Our body is like
भूत का कैसे
made
शरीर
of
होता
5
है
elements, but the boots, the ghosts, they have this airy, you know, bio, of air body.
उनके सूक्ष्म शरीर होता है
They have this subtle body.
आगे जाकर के बताएंगे
Later I'll tell you about this.
इसका नाम भी रख दिया उसी प्रकार
So his name was also like this,
जैसे माँ और
like
ऐसे
mother, like
बेटा।
son.
किंतु देखो संत
see.
महात्मा की कृपा से अथवा
Because the
भगवत
mercy
कृपा
of
से
Santa Mahatma and
जो
God,
पुत्र संतान जन्म हुई
he had
गोकर्ण बहुत धार्मिक हुई।
Gokarna was very much dharmic, you know, religious person, because he came from the fruit that the saint gave. He also always
विद्वान भी बने,
was caring for the
स्कूल कॉलेज में
others,
बड़ा
helping
अध्ययन भी
others,
कर लिया।
very much
वेद
always
शास्त्र
studying the
ब्राह्मण के
Vedas.
जो 6 प्रकार के कर्म में
He did all the 4 kinds of karmas that Brahmins do.
पारंगत हुए, निपुण हुए।
6 types, huh?
Accomplished, yeah.
Huh?
Became accomplished. Became
जजन जाजन अध्ययन
He became
तपन,
expert in
दान,
everything.
ये ब्राह्मण के जो है
The Brahmins
6 प्रकार
have
के
6
कर्म,
kinds, sorry, not 4, 6 kinds of qualities that Brahmin have.
6 कर्म होता है
6 karmas, 6 activities of Brahmins.
जजन जाजन अध्ययन
They do
तपन,
fire sacrifice, they make
दान
sacrifice for the others,
दान भी लेते
they
हैं,
take
और
donation,
ब्राह्मण
they give donation.
जो ब्राह्मण केवल दान लेते हैं
if-
और दान देते नहीं हैं वो ब्राह्मण नहीं है
If Brahmin only taking donation, not giving donation, he's not a Brahmin. This is written in
दान
Shastra.
दो, दान दो।
Some people just say, yeah, give me a donation, give me donation. Okay, you give donation, but you receive donation, but you have to give donation. If God gave you 2 hands, you have to receive from one hand and give in another
और
hand.
एक हाथ में मिठाई बांटो
You take the sweet, but you also give the sweet.
जो ब्राह्मण केवल लेते हैं देते
But these
नहीं।
Brahmins are only taking, not giving. They're not Brahmins actually, not Brahmanas, you know. Have to take and give.
चलो
Continuing.
किंतु गोकर्ण कैसे था
But how is Gokarna?
हाँ तो ब्राह्मण था ब्राह्मण
So much knowledgeable, and
छठ कर्म
he did all these
जजन जाजन
perfect Brahmins, you know, Brahmin activities. He was taking donation, giving donation, studying the Vedas and teaching the Vedas, doing the fire sacrifice. Binoy?
विनय संपन्न
Binoy?
दीन हो गए।
humble, humility.
So much humble.
शास्त्र में ज्ञान कर लिया
He had all Jnana of
सभी
Shastra.
लोग उसकी पूजा करने लगे
Everybody was worshipping him.
और उनके भाई
But his brother,
धुंधुकारी
Dundukari, how was he? Completely evil, evil nature, terrible person.
स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए गए पढ़ता पढ़ता ही
He
नहीं
would
है।
go to school for studying, but he was not studying. He was only drinking alcohol, drinking, you know, drinking, not studying anything.
और जुआ खेलना
Jua
इनके
jua
स्वभाव।
खेलना?
Gambling.
यहाँ
Gambling.
तक भी नहीं।
He was that was his nature. And also,
नशा तो भी तो हो ही गया और क्या करने लगे
what else he would do?
चक्कू चलना शुरू कर
with
दिया
knife. He would
हैं? स्कूल में जाकर के
go to
बाद
the school with the knife.
बच्चों के कोई चाकू दिखी भी मार देता
He would,
दुष्ट भाव
oh my
सब
God, he
होते
would stab the children in the school with the knife, Put, hit
ऐसे
with the knife,
करते
stab.
करते उनके स्वभाव ऐसे बनते।
His nature was terrible, like very perverted nature.
और पिताजी
evil
बोले
person.
पिताजी पैसा दो
And he would say to his father, Father, give me money.
बड़ा जुबान होने लगे ना
Because he was growing up,
पिताजी
like
सब
getting
करने लगे,
youthful.
पिताजी पैसा दो पैसा
Father, give me money, 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 money.
पैसा नहीं दिया
But if father did not give money,
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
What?
के अच्छी तरफ से
he would,
पिटाई करने लगे,
he would hit his own father.
रात
beat-
बारह एक बजे
beat his
शराब
own
पी
father.
करके
Late at night, he would come back drunk, to the house.
बेसा के बेसाले में जाने लगे ना
He would stay with prostitutes.
Prostitute house, yeah.
He would go to prostitute houses,
देख करके ब्राह्मण आत्मदेव
Seeing
ब्राह्मण
the condition of his
बहुत
son.
दुखी होने लगे।
Atmadeva Brahman was very unhappy. Oh, Elas, if I had no son, it would be good. Which kind of son is this? So much evil. What can I do? Oh my God.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण एक दिन
Atmadeva Brahman, one day he was so sad.
अपने धार्मिक पुत्र गोकर्ण के कहने
And he
लगे,
came to
"गोकर्ण,
his religious son, Gokarna, and said, Gokarna, please tell me, what is my duty? What will I do?
उस समय गोकर्ण
At this
कहने
time,
लगे, पिताजी
Gokarna said, oh, my father, listen,
इस संसार में कोई सार वस्तु नहीं
no, there's not any essence in this material world.
तीर्थ स्थल में जाइए
Go to the Tirtha Sthal, to the sacred places and do bhajan.
श्रद्धा सुदुर्लभ विधान बहु संभवान्ते मनुष्यं वर्तते अनित्यं अप्यतिरो तुर्णं ततनपदे उन्मित्तं जावत् निश्चय विषय खोलु
Like this loka of Bhagavatam says,
यही
oh my father, this is the essence of Bhagavatam. How this human birth is very, very rare. What is the essence or the meaning of the of life? Is do Bhagavad Bhajan.
अच्छा
The
ठीक
meaning
है
of the life.
वर्णाश्रम धर्म पालन करो,
Okay, follow Varnashram Dharma, Brahmacharya, Grihastha,
वानप्रस्थ और
Banaprastha, and
सन्यास करो।
Sannyasa. Okay,
ब्रह्मचार्य जीवन
a life of Brahmachari.
एक साल से लेकर के
From 1 year old,
18 साल तक ब्रह्मचर्य जीवन
18 until 18 years old, this is Brahmacharya.
18 साल के बाद
After 18 years old,
फिर गृहस्थ धर्म में प्रवेश
okay,
कर
you
सकते
can enter Grihastha life.
हैं। गृहस्थ धर्म में।
Grihastha
विवाह
life.
भी करके
After get married and with your wife,
रह करके
you stay for a wife
भगवत भजन आदि
and
करें।
do Bhagavad Bhajan. Okay,
गृहस्थ धर्म के लिए
this is Grihastha karma.
ये कब तक रहेगा गृहस्थ
Until when you should do this?
50 वनम
Until you do 50 years old.
50 साल के बाद क्या करना चाहिए
After 51 years old, you should go to the Prastha. After 50 means 50 years old. What's the in 51? What is 51 in Hindi? 51? Ekavan.
अरे एक वन अकेला वन में जाओ
That's mean Ekwan means 51 in Hindi, but also you can see Ekavan means van, like forest. Ek alone, like you go alone to the forest, after 51 years old.
दूसरी क्या बोलते हैं
Okay, but 52? Huh?
अच्छा नहीं तो पत्नी के साथ गुरु के साथ ले जाओ वन में जाओ
Okay, Baban means 52. Okay, anyway, you go to the forest.
वानप्रस्थ भी लिखा गया
So after 50 should become Vanaprastha.
किंतु कौन जाता है 50
But
साल
who will go?
किसके हो गया इधर
Who has already 50 years old? Raise
50
hand.
साल हुआ किसी
Who
का
has 50 years old or more? Raise hand,
हाँ,
please.
ज्यादा हो गया बोले
Everybody older than 50 years old and you not have gone to the forest.
बोल रहे हैं ज्यादा हो गया 50 साल के ऊपर हो गया अरे नहीं जा देखो इधर तो बोलते हैं एक बार
Ekwan, 50.
अकेला वन में जाओ अकेला नहीं तो पत्नी के साथ में लेकर नहीं जाओ
Okay, if you not go alone to the forest, 51 years old, 52, Bawan, like 2, go to the forest. Okay, go to with your wife, no problem, but go to the forest.
वन में अकेला नहीं जाना
If
चाहिए
you cannot go alone, okay, take a wife and go, but no, still you don't want to go.
सब अच्छा
have to go to the
बेटा के शादी करके जाता
After I marry my daughter, then I'll go to the forest. Oh, but let's see my daughter have a baby. After the baby of your daughter, like granddaughter, then you want the marriage of granddaughter, and it's still you don't go. So Gokarna said to Pitaji, to his father, this lokasara, samsara, this material world, there's nothing actually, not essence, nothing. Only dukkha means suffering. Pitaji, oh my father. The life of a human being is to do Bhagavad Bhajan, worship God. Prahlad Maharaj said, what is material, this material world? Like a crow, we're searching for.
Empty well, like a dry
इसलिए
well.
okay, it's like
गोकर्ण ने
a
अपने
empty
पिताजी
well.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर
Oh, empty well, no water. So Gokarna said very beautiful instructions to his father.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर उपदेश दिया पिताजी
Oh, my father,
ये सब छोड़ दे माया मोह को
give up all this illusion of Maya and everything.
आपने इतने तो कष्ट करके सब धन इकट्ठा किया आप तो देखा
You can see
ये संसार में दुख गया
how this is suffering of
इसलिए
material world.
उपनिषद में
You
कहते हैं
accumulate this wealth, but you see how all you
भली भांति संसार में देखे सुख है
You accumulate so much wealth, but you see how much you
इस
suffer your
संसार
life.
में सुख है कि
In this material, there is happiness or suffering.
कोई सुखी है इस संसार
Is
में
there anyone happy in this material world? Raise your hand, please.
संसार में कोई सुखी
In this material world, there's no one
सब
happy.
दुखी है
Everybody is unhappy.
दरिद्र कहते हैं धनी
The
सुखी है
poor person says that one who is rich is happy.
महाधनी
The person who is rich says one who is very, very rich is happy. But the person who is very much wealthy says no, the king is
महाराजा
suki,
सुखी है
happy.
महाराजा
But
कहते हैं
the king says no.
इंद्र कहते
Maharaj, the
हैं
emperor, is happy. Maharaj says Indra is happy. Indra says no, Brahmaji is happy. Brahmaji says no, I'm not happy. Who is happy? Who is happy? The one who does Bhagavad Bhajan.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे इस संसार में सुख किसमें है भगवत कथा में
What is the happiness in material world?
संसार में
In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad. Actually, this material world is not bad. I don't tell
संसार में रहे
give up this material world. Okay, stay in material world, but do Bhagavad Bhajan.
कैसे भगवत भजन
How to
करें?
do Bhagavad Bhajan? Unattached
सब
way.
आगे, please come forward. सामने खाली होने नहीं चाहिए पीछे खाली हो मैदान पर है। सामने खाली आगे
Should be full in front, not full in the back. Should be full in front, not in the back. He was saying.
इस सुखी कौन है
So who is happy in material world?
इसलिए संसार के नाम क्या है
What's
क्या
the
कहते हैं इसको?
name? Dunya.
दुनिया
What is the
का
name
है।
of this material world?
दुनियादारी।
Dunya. Another name of material world is
दुनिया
dunya.
शब्द जो है
What is the meaning of dunya? This is a Sanskrit word, you know. Comes from verbal roots dun. Dun.
इस
Dun
संसार
means
में सुखी है
unhappiness.
सुख कहाँ मिलेगा
So if this is everything about unhappiness, how can you get happiness? Like the water of the ocean, how is it?
खारा है
The water of the ocean is salty.
एक बूंद आप पी नहीं
You
सकते
cannot even drink one drop of water from the
वही
ocean.
हम लोग अभी जगन्नाथपुरी से आ रहे
We just came from Jagannath Puri, you know.
मैं थोड़ा देर चलो
I said,
पुरी
okay,
के समुद्र क्या कहते हैं
how is the water of
महातीर्थ
the Samudra, the ocean of Puri? Mahatirtha, very much sacred. So I'll do some
थोड़ा आचमन
achaman.
कर लेता
I
हूँ
did some achaman of the Puri.
लगा तो बाहर
When I did the achaman of the, I could not even, swallow the water because it was so much salt, of the ocean.
प्यास भी लगे एक बूंद
You can be
समुद्र की
so much
तरफ
like
पी नहीं सकते।
thirsty, but you cannot even drink one drop of water from the ocean because it's so
ठीक
much
उसी प्रकार
salty.
संसार के
The
नाम
same
है
way,
दुनिया
in this material
इस
world,
संसार
name
में
is
दुख
dunya.
के द्वारा ही बनेगी
So much suffering is here. So how can you get the
सुख
happiness?
के लिए आप
Everything
चेष्टा
here
कर रहे हैं
is suffering. You are looking for happiness, but you only find unhappiness. How this book also explains.
श्रीमद् भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी बात करते हैं
Srimad
महाराज
Bhagavatam, Shukadeva
इस
Goswami
संसार
Pada
में
explains
लोग
the people in this material world,
मनुष्य में
Maharaj.
काम क्यों करते
Why
हैं
do they do work and karma? Why?
बड़े अर्थ के लिए
To have money, to
पैसा किसके
get
लिए
money. Why do people want money?
सुख के लिए
To get happiness.
धन संपत्ति प्राप्ति हो
After getting
अच्छा
wealth,
मकान ले ले,
then you
एक मंजिल
build
मकान
a
में सुख
beautiful
नहीं है,
house,
दो मंजिल मकान बना ले
one
दो
one
मंजिल
storage
मकान
two
नहीं
storage
है,
house.
चार मंजिल बना
Okay,
ले।
4 storage house, for
क्या सुख मिलेगा उसमें
then you find happiness in this thing? No.
गाड़ी खरीद ले
Buy a
बढ़िया
car?
बढ़िया गाड़ी खरीद लो
No, give up this old car. No.
आशा ही परम दुखम इस संसार में जितने
This
हम
material
आशा
world.
लेकर चलते हैं उतना ही दुख दुख
Asari?
है। इसलिए आंखों दे ब्राह्मण
Quick.
धुंधुकारी अपने
So-
पिता आंखों दे ब्राह्मण के कहने लगे पिताजी
So he said,
इस
Pitaji,
संसार में छोड़ करके आप वन में जाकर के भगवान
give up this material world and go to the forest and do Bhagavad Bhajan.
इसके बाद
After that,
आत्म
because this will, take one bucket because of this will follow the time.
एक
Gurudev
बाल्टी
said.
ले आओ
Take a bucket,
और इसमें सारे फल को मैं रखो
put what inside the bucket? Is it?
Fruit.
Fruit. Okay.
वक्त ले चला
A gente tem curiosidade né, do que ele fala.
पंखा चला
Turn on the fan.
उसी प्रकार
In this way.
गोकर्ण की सुंदर
Gokarna
उपदेश
gave
सुन
beautiful instructions.
आत्मदेव
After
ब्राह्मण
listening
ने
the beautiful instructions of his son, Atmadeva Brahman gave up material world,
में गए
went to the forest, and did Bhagavad Bhajan.
पिताजी जब चले गए
After his
धुंधुकारी ने
father
क्या
left,
कि माँ के
what
कहने
Dhundukari
लगे, "मैया,
did,
मुझे पैसा दो।"
said, Mother, give me money.
गोकर्ण भी देखा मैं गोकर्ण
Gokarna
देखा,
saw everything.
संसार में हर रोज
That
कलेश
Kalesh,
है हर रोज
everyday material world, there's
Problem.
fighting,
Argument.
problems,
ये
arguments.
आकर के, धुंधुकारी ने
And he
रात
saw
1 बजे 2 बजे आकर के
Dhundukari would come back.
शराब पी लेते ना।
He was drunk. He used to
इतने
drink so
चिल्लाते
much.
चिल्लाते रहते।
Chilate,
Shout.
shouting so much. He was drunk, and he would come so much late at night.
भाई
You know?
देखो, हम जब मुस्लिम
Oh,
में
my
पहली
brother.
बार-
When I came first time to Mathura, I'll tell you the truth.
हमारे पीछे में एक सरदार जी था।
Sardaji,
Like a sick person. Sick
मिलिट्री
man.
There was
में काम करता था। उनके दो
sick man.
टांग जो है ये दुल्हन
Used to work in the military.
He used to work in the military.
तो वो भी
That person,
यहाँ पर एक कोने में आकर शायद आप लोग देखे होंगे इसे मैं याद दिला देता
I
हूँ।
remember, he
रात
used to
12
live
बजे,
that
1 बजे शराब
1,
पी के
2
चिल्लाता था।
a.m. He used to drink and shouting all the time. He used to live like that
और
nearby.
जिसको देखता था गाली देता वो गाली देता था।
He would see anyone, he would abuse this person, abusing everyone.
देखे होंगे जो लोग प्राण में आज से करीब 25 30 40 30 35
This
साल
was
की बात बता रहा हूँ।
30 or 40 years ago.
आज
This
से 30 35 साल की बात मैं सुना रहा हूँ।
20s? 35. This was 30 or 35 or 40 years ago. Remember, under that neem tree, he would stay there, abusing
और
everyone.
किसी सज्जन ने उसको किया कि एक रिक्शा में उसको बैठा करके पास पे बैठ गया।
Then what?
Someone put him in a rickshaw and sent
फिर
him to
वो
the bus
आकर
stand.
Somebody put him in the rickshaw and took him to the bus stand. And then what?
And then he came back and he just
You
came
did?
to the same place.
Okay.
शराब की वजह से
Because he was drunk and he was abusing
उसी
everyone.
प्रकार
So in the same way,
धुंधुकारी ने देखा
Dhundukari,
मेरे भाई
he saw, my God, my brother is so much evil. He's drinking, saying, coming with prostitutes, eating meat, meat, fish,
ये सब
all this bad smell in the house, and it smells bad. Seeing this, Gokarna also, he went away. What is this material world?
गोकर्ण भी तीर्थ भ्रमण करने के लिए
He went for Tirtha Brahmin, going to Tirtha sacred
अभी
places.
कौन रहेगी
Who stayed in the house?
कौन रहेगी अभी
Who?
उनकी माँ
Only the
क्या
mother.
सुनने के लिए?
Remember, are you listening or not? Who stayed in the house? Tell me.
क्या नाम है?
What was her name?
धुंधुली का
Dondoli, the name of the mother.
भाई
Oh, my
धुंधुकारी
brother.
नहीं करने लगे
धुंधुकारी,
पिताजी
the
चले
son.
गए, पैसा तुमको जरूरत नहीं है, बताओ
Remember.
अरे
He
माँ
was-
की इतना पिटाई
He
कर
used
रहे,
to,
पिटाई
he
कर
used
रहे, पैसा
to,
दो, पैसा
to
दो।
beat so much his mother. Give me money, give me money. The father went away, he left the money somewhere, so give him the money.
बेचारा-
Give
बेचारी
money,
को
money,
दुखी
money.
होकर के एक दिन वो
And
भी
also the mother was so much unhappy, she gave up the body
आगे
soon
घर
after
में
that.
बस
So who was staying in the house? Only
बस
Dhundukari.
5 पैसा के
With 5
कितने
horse.
पैसा के?
How many horse prostitutes? 5.
शराब पीना चोरी करना डकैती करना पैसा
Prostitutes,
चाहिए
yeah, horse, isn't
बस
it? Hookers
एक दिन
and
धुंधुकारी
prostitute. Then
यानी
one
राजा
day
के राजकोष में
he stole
बहुत अनेक जो है मणि माणिक
so many
सोने
jewels
जवाहरात
and
लेकर के आए।
gold from the
देखो,
treasury of the
देखो,
king.
कितने सुंदर मैं तुम लोग के लिए
And he brought to the prostitutes and showed them, oh, look how beautiful gifts I brought to you. And the 5 prostitutes said, oh my God, this is you stole from the king these things.
होने के साथ ही साथ
Tomorrow morning very early,
जरूर
definitely the police will come, you know, the police of the king will come. Because you stole these
राजा
things
के
from the
लोग
king.
आकर के
The people from the king will
इसको तो
come.
पिटाई करेंगे, हम लोग भी पिटाई
And
करेंगे।
they will beat you and beat us as well.
ये तो इतने सुंदर धन
But there are so many
मणि माणिक
beautiful,
पर
you know,
हीरे जवाहरात
jewels
देख
and
करके
necklaces.
500 पैसा के तो जिहाद में मानो
And that the 5 prostitutes become like with saliva for, you know, for that all these jewels, you know. They said, oh, let's do one thing. They decided one plan.
मार देते हैं।
We'll kill, sorry, this
में डाल
Dhundukari.
देते हैं, और हम लोग
Put where?
Bury him.
And we'll bury him. Then we'll run away.
तो राजा के लोग आकर के पर
And
किसको पता
when the people from king will come, they'll not know what happened. So the 5 prostitutes, what did they do? They tied very tightly with one rope. They tied his hands and feet and also put some cloth in his mouth and beat him so much. He was so much drunk, you know. Dhundhukari, he was so much drunk. He could not even realize what was happening. He did not realize what was happening. He was so much drunk. He was so much Mahapapi. He was so much sinful. Difficult to die. He would not die because so much sinful. So these 5 prostitutes, they beat it so much. Finally, they got one piece of wood and they put fire and put inside his mouth. And after that, Dhundhukari, he left his body. And his dead body, in the garden, there was a well. In that well, they put his dead body inside. They put one very big stone on top. These 5 prostitutes, they took one very big stone and put it on the well. And then they took all those jewels from the king, all these, you know, precious jewels and all, and they left, you know, in the middle of the night. Brother, he died, it's true, Dhundhukari. But which kind of birth he got? Paret Janmi, one kind of ghost. Not Pishachi, one kind of ghost, or, you know, he became ghost, basically. The Pishachi, the ghost, he chases everyone. Terrifies everyone.
Takes everyone and
Torments everyone. He would do like this in the people of the village, you know, tormenting everyone. Terrifying everyone, and the people would be very so much scared, you know. He would try throwing stones in people's houses, you know. Sometimes he would... What? Which kind of shape? He would take some very huge shapes and terrify people, you know. People didn't know what was going on. Nobody knew about Dhundhukari, where he'd gone, you know. But police came and saw that inside the well there was a body, then he left body. But when he was a ghost, he started like tormenting everyone from the village, and everybody from the village, they left the village because he was tormenting everyone. In ghost form, Dhundhukari was tormenting everyone. So the village became like a cemetery.
Eeriness, dark.
Very dark. Eeriness. Dark. Sansambhumi, like a cemetery, no? No? So Gokarna one day came back and said, where's my village? Where's my brother? Where's everyone? He was asking. And somebody told, oh, you know, your brother died. And he became a ghost. He started chasing behind everyone, tormenting everyone, haunting, you know, everyone from the village. So everybody left. Then what Dhundhukari did? Gokarna, what did he do? He went to his old house where he used to live with his family, and he was taking rest. He was sleeping in the night time on the bed, Katiya bed. And then the bed started moving. If I talk too much, cannot sleep at night time, you'll be fearful. So Gokarna was sleeping at his old house, you know. But the bed, what happened? The bed, midnight, one night, 2 a.m. Bhuchal? At the earthquake. Is it an earthquake? Because the bed started shaking, you know, his bed, shaking. Then he heard this sound. He saw like a buffalo, a form like a cow, sometimes like a fire, like a form that was like a big, huge fire, you know? Then Dhundhukari thought, what happened? Oh, definitely my brother is this ghost. Gokarna said, hey, who is that? Come close to me, in front of me. Then he heard, Bhaiya, my brother, I'm your brother, Dhundhukari. Apadhat? I died. Apaghat? Huh? I was murdered. And he told everything to his brother. Like Dhundhukari told how he was murdered, how these five prostitutes, they bind my hands and feet, put one piece of wood like with fire, you know, a torch in my mouth, and I died. So I obtain now this ghost body. Please, my brother, deliver me. Please deliver me from this birth. It's so much difficult. always so much
प्रेत
suffering.
क्या है?
What is Pret Janmi? This is birth of ghost. It's like it's such a body. The ghosts actually they suffer so much.
कहते हैं मुझे उद्धार करो।
Why they haunt the people? Because actually they want deliverance from this body, right?
इसलिए गोकर्ण ने कहा
So
भैया
Gokarna, what did he do? Oh Bhaiya, oh my brother, please. Gokarna said to his brother, please be patient, my brother. So he went to many tirthasthal, to many sacred places, Gaya and etc. He did Pindadan. He gave these oblations to his brother to try to deliver his body. His brother, sorry, but he couldn't because his brother was so much sinful, so much sinful, and so he could not deliver him. So Gokarna was thinking, how can I deliver my brother? In this moment, he prayed to Surjadev, means the sun god. Oh, Surjadev, tell me please, how to deliver my brother from this ghost body, ghost birth. Then Surjadev said to Gokarna, hey Gokarna, your brother is so much sinful, and he was murdered, and he was so much evil, and he got this ghost body. There's only one way to deliver him. Look, you went to many tirthasthal, you went to many sacred places and did Pindadan. How to deliver him? You do one thing. Bhagavad Katha Shravana. You do Bhagavad Katha. In Shastra, for a normal sinner, if you do Pindadan in Gaya and other tirthasthal, other sacred places, if you do Pindadan, this person will be delivered. But a person who is Mahapapi, so much sinful, Dusta Duras, so much sinful, not this Pindadan will not be enough. For this person, what do you need to do? You should speak Bhagavad Katha. Surjadev, sun god, he manifested and told Gokarna, to deliver your brother. This is the way I'll tell you. You should speak Bhagavatam for 7 days. For 7 days, you should speak Bhagavatam. How? See one thing. Where's the Bhagavatam? You take one bamboo with 7 knots. Bamboo with 7 knots. Piece of bamboo with 7 knots, and you put this bamboo stick, with 7 knots. Then you call your brother to come inside this bamboo stick, and you can see each day of the Bhagavatam, each knot of the bamboo stick will be, exploded. After 7 days, these 7 knots will be like open, and your brother will be delivered. This is the essence of Bhagavad Katha. So in Bhagavatam also said in first canto, in this Kali Yuga, all the kinds of bhakti, all the kinds of bhakti actually, essence is listening this Bhagavad Katha, because if you listen Bhagavad, your sins will be destroyed. Even if you're Mahapapi, means big sinful person, if you sit in front of Bhagavad Katha, in Bhagavad Katha, all your sinful activities will be destroyed, and you sure achieve mukti, liberation. So in the same way, Surjadev, sun god, gave many instructions to Gokarna. How should he do the Bhagavad Katha, study Bhagavad Katha, everything? There's all these rules. How many days, which cantos, which chapters you should tell in first day, which kind of chapters you should speak in first day, how many which chapters you should study and speak. All this, said. Then Gokarna, to deliver his brother, Dundukar. He did the 7 days of Bhagavad, and then listening to the 7 days of Bhagavad Katha, all the people in the village knew about what's going on. Then they came also to sit down and to listen to the Bhagavad. They sat down in the Bhagavad because the Gokarna was doing the Bhagavad, right? And he put a bamboo stick, remember? Like representing his brother, and then his brother came inside this bamboo stick. The first day of the Bhagavatam, what happened? 7 days of Bhagavatam, right? So each day of the Bhagavatam, first day, the tied 7 knots of the bamboo stick, they were like releasing, like the knots were releasing, they were torn. Open, the knots were open, and what happened? His brother, Dundukari, manifested a Dev Sarira, demigod body. And in Abhimana aircraft came, a ship, spaceship came, and he went to Vaikuntha Dham. Jai! You see, listen to the Bhagavad Katha. he also got mukti. He got Vaikuntha Dham.
भागवत कथा
He went to
का श्रवण
Vaikuntha.
करना चाहिए।
So you should listen to the Bhagavad
तो सभी लोगों
Katha.
के सामने देखा
So
विमान आ
everybody
गया
saw, wow, this spaceship came.
और उनके भाई
And-
बैठे
Spaceship came and took Dundakari to Vaikuntha. Everybody was there. They asked Gokarna,
क्या
look,
आपने
you
पक्षपात कर दी,
Bakshapat,
अपने भाई को उद्धार कर दिया
Biased.
भागवत कथा सुना
Huh?
करके।
Was
हम लोग
biased.
बैठे
you're
हैं,
partial,
हम लोग
right?
कुछ
Because
नहीं
only
हुआ।
your brother was delivered. Why nothing happened to us?
तुम्हारे भाई तो श्रवण किया,
Your
हम
brother
लोग भी
listened, but
श्रवण
we
किया
also
कि नहीं?
learned. We also listened to the Bhagavad for 7 days. Why not a spaceship aircraft came and we went to Vaikuntha? Then Gokarna gave a very beautiful instruction
देखो,
to all the listeners. He said, look, you cannot get only the fruit or only listening. You should only listening, not get the fruits. After listening, you should do what?
मनन
You
यानी
should
चिंतन करना
think
चाहिए।
about
जैसे
what you
आज
listen. For example,
सुना,
now we listen this katha today, right? Today we
सुन करके
listen.
घर में
After
जाकर
listening,
किसी
you go to your
कथा
house. You have to
स्मरण करो।
remember what you
भूल मत
listened
जाओ।
today. Don't forget what you listened to.
इसलिए श्रवण तो न फलम मनन फलम। ये आप लोग ने श्रवण किया किंतु मनन नहीं किया, किंतु धुंधुकारी ने किया।
But Dundakari, what did he do?
जो कथा श्रवण किया
He listened to the
और
katha,
उसी को स्मरण
and also he remembered
किया।
what he
कोई
listened.
वैष्णव लोग भी कहते हैं
Some
भाई,
Vaishnavas say,
विमान
भाई,
क्या है?
what is the
सबकी-
Biman
बोले
of this
विमान तो आज
spaceship
भी
or
मैंने
aircraft?
कितने भी भागवत कथा श्रवण कर लिया, कितने तो मैं भागवत पाठ कर लिया।
How many times I listened to the Bhagavad or did the Bhagavad
कोई
कथा?
इंटरनेट में लिखते हैं
In internet it's
ये
also
मैंने
written.
कितने भागवत किया?
How many Bhagavats I did? Some people say
5000 भागवत कर।
5,000 Bhagavats I already did.
हाँ,
How many?
महीने में 4-5 बार भागवत होता है, महीने में 3 भागवत होता है। एक
Each month I do
10 भागवत होता है।
10 Bhagavats per month.
होता है, 7 दिन से, बोले 3 बार भागवत करते हैं।
But 7 days in month, how possible? 7 days. Because in morning they do Bhagavad in one place, evening another time. So in 1 month they do like this. One time I did this. In morning I was doing Istakalash Bhagavad and Harikatha, and in evening in Kalkaji Mandir I was doing the Bhagavad. So in 7 days I did 2 Bhagavatas, you know, Bhagavad Saptah.
ऐसे करते रहूं, महीने में कितने
So if I do all my life like this, how many?
8 भागवत होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Are there?
8.
I did 8 Bhagavatas in the month.
करके 8 भागवत हो जाता है।
So if I do in morning and evening Bhagavad Saptah,
7 दिन होने से 4 भागवत होता है।
after,
और फिर सुबह शाम को करते रहे तो 8 भागवत होते हैं।
so you do 8 Bhagavatas in 1 month. If you do like this morning, evening, you know,
हजारों भागवत किया,
because there are 4 weeks in a
कोई
month.
कहते हैं मैंने कितने भागवत सुना, कोई
So
कहता
how
है
many?
कितने भागवत
So some people say how many Bhagavats I already did, how many Bhagavats I already did or
वैराग्य
listened.
हुआ,
But if you do Bhagavad, you should. What is what is the fruit of listening? Vairag,
श्रवण के फल है।
renunciation and knowledge. Again,
भागवत का उसमें यदि भक्ति नहीं हुआ,
if you listen Bhagavad but you don't have bhakti, actually you didn't get the fruit of listening.
वासुदेव है,
How this sloka also explains of Bhagavatam. Vasudeva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prajuta. If you have bhakti for Vasudeva, you'll see 2 things. What things you'll see? Jnana and Vairagya. If you have bhakti, 2 things will come.
वासुदेव पराभक्ति,
This श्लोक
ज्ञान
explains.
वैराग्य जप ऐतुकम। भागवत सुनने के फल क्या
What is
है?
the fruit of listening to Bhagavad?
सुनने के फल ये है,
The fruit is
हमें ज्ञान भी हो जाए,
Jnana will come and
संसार
also
के प्रति वैराग्य,
Vairagya. You'll be unattached and renounced. I'm not saying give up this material. Okay, stay in the material like a lotus. The lotus leaf stays in the water but doesn't touch the water.
बुरी बात नहीं है।
This samsara material is not bad. Samsara, we're not criticizing. Shastra doesn't criticize samsara. But you should know how to stay in material world. You should be unattached and stay in this material world. You should take care in your family, mother, brother, everything.
In an unattached
After
way.
Maya, Maya, what?
हमारे बीच जितने भी महापुरुष के परिकर हम देखते हैं,
All the parikaras associates of Mahaprabhu, all words grihastas, you can see.
गृहस्थ कोई बुरी बात नहीं है।
Grihasta is not being a bad
ये
thing, be
त्यागी हो जाए,
grihasta.
सन्यासी हो जाए, उसके भगवान मिल जाए और
If
गृहस्थ
you're only
उसके
tyagi
भगवान नहीं
sannyasi,
मिलेंगे,
renunciate,
ऐसी
you'll
बात है।
achieve Bhagavan. If you're grihasta, you'll not achieve Bhagavan. This is not correct, this is not right. Like Narottama Das Thakur wants the sangha of grihastas and renounce people, those who chant Haguranga, he wants his sangha.
आप गृहस्थ होकर के घर में रहे,
He's saying this
संसार में रहे,
this
अब
the
संन्यास
song.
लेकर के एक
Narottama Das Thakur prays for the sangha of both grihasta and tyagi people, renounced people, but they should put the mind in the Bhagavan.
यही है
This is the thing.
भगवत सेवा आदि हम करते रहे।
We should serve Bhagavan.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So that's why he says,
गोकर्ण भी कहा
Gokarna also says,
विमान क्या है विगत तो मान
what is the Abhiman or the
हम
spaceship
मान
that
को
came?
छोड़ दे मान विमान को छोड़ दे
You should give up the Abhiman,
कथा श्रवण की फल यही है
the ego,
Arrogance.
arrogance,
मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूँ
and
मैं
the
क्या हूँ?
ego. I'm not the body. Abhiman.
Ego is ahamkar.
Okay. So the arrogance. So I'm not this body. I'm eternal servant of God.
हम लोग सब भगवान के दास
We are all servants of God.
दास के कर्तव्य है क्या
And the duty of the servant is to serve God.
यदि भगवान सेवा नहीं
If
किया
you don't serve God, or didn't serve God,
कथा होगी 7:30 के बाद आरती होगी
after 7:30 will be Arati. After that,
कल से जो है
tomorrow
मैं नियम से करूंगा
we'll begin the rule.
7:30
From 4:30 to 7:30
आज
Harikatha.
थोड़ा देर
Today,
हो गया
a little bit late was
देर
everything.
से आए हैं
So also,
एक
it's a
डेढ़
little
बजे
bit
तक हम
late.
आए और फिर इसमें कोई सजाना बजाना कुछ नहीं था
Nothing was decorated. We also had to arrange. There was some time also to decorate everything.
थोड़ा भी मैं भी विश्राम भी
Also
किया।
after that, I also took some rest today.
इसलिए विश्राम भी करना पड़ा इसलिए आज थोड़ा बैठने
So
में
that's why today we began late. So I pray to all of you.
आप लोग सभी जो
Tomorrow, all of
4 बजे जरूर
4 o'clock, please everyone come tomorrow. 4 o'clock. And 4:30, Katha will begin.
इसलिए
So
आप लोग के लिए विमान आ जाएगा
for you also a Biman spaceship will come. Who wants to sit in a Biman? Please raise your hand. Who wants
और
to?
विमान में जाएगा बैठो
Who will go in the spaceship?
हाँ? हाँ। क्या विमान में बैठा थे
Biman spaceship, right?
Aircraft.
अरे हाथ तो उठाओ कम से कम बैठे बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राधे देखो आगे कहते हैं इसमें विमान शब्द के अर्थ होता है विगतमान
Biman também significa Bigataman. Spaceship means giving up all this pride of being the body. For example, this arrogance or this Dehatma Biman, this false conception of being the body. And you listen to Hakata thinking you're not this
और
body.
एकांत में 7 दिन नियम करके कथा
For
सुनो
7 days you make the rule that you listen to the Harikatha. Don't go here and there, speaking here and there, gossiping. Don't gossip these 7 days. Just one point and listen to this Bhagavad Katha for 7 days. For sure you'll get the fruit if you do that. So in the same way, Gokarna,
सब श्रोताओं के लिए बताया
he told this to the listeners, all this. He
इस
told.
कथा को सुन करके बड़े
After listening this, he said, please do again Bhagavad Katha. He said, okay, I'll again do the Bhagavad Saptah for 7 days. He did, and then everybody went to Vaikuntha Dham. Jai.
जय जय इसी प्रकार भागवत की महत्व हमारे श्री वैदिक गोस्वामी ने
So, also, Vyasadeva Goswami, very beautiful, he did this Bhagavad Mahatma in Padma Puran. This is the fruit of Bhagavatam.
और उसी प्रकार परीक्षित महाराज की भी
And also Parikshit Maharaj,
उत्कंठा लेकर
he
के
was so
श्रवण
much
किया।
anxious
परीक्षित
to
महाराज
listen.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी महाराज
Parikshit
के
Maharaj,
भागवत कथा श्रवण करके जब साक्षात
after listening Parikshit Maharaj, Bhagavatam from Shukadeva Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj he went to all the rishis were stunned because they were doing tapasya for many thousands of years, and Parikshit Maharaj only did listen Bhagavatam and went to a transcendental world. This look also says how many rishis and how many they do so much tapasya and so much they're renounced for many births, and in the last moment of their lives they cannot recite God's name. It's difficult to say God's name in the time of the death, But see, what is the fruit of the listening Bhagavad Katha? Directly, Parikshit Maharaj, after listening, he went to Bhagavad Dham, abode of God. We listened to Parikshit Maharaj, Taksha, that serpent, that snake came and bite him. But he's a parikar of God, actually. It's not happened to him. He was not like bitten by a snake. God himself protected him when he was in the womb of his mother. Ashwatthama, he threw a Brahmastra. He threw a Brahmastra, in the womb of Uttara, and Parikshit Maharaj was in the womb, no, of his mother, Uttara. But Swayam Bhagavan came with the Gada and mace and protect Parikshit Maharaj while he was in the womb. So you think a snake will come and will be able to bite Parikshit Maharaj? This is only for telling other people, like, but actually it's not what happened. For the Karmis, we tell this katha. But actually, after listening Bhagavad Katha, Parikshit Maharaj directly, he achieved Gopi Bhav, and he went directly to Goloka Vrindavana. He achieved Goloka Vrindavana, attained. Actually, this is described. What is the aim of what I say? After listening this Harikatha from Lord's mouth of Shukadeva Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj, he went directly to Bhagavad Dham. And even the devatas, demigods and Brahmaji, they were astonished. So Brahmaji took a scale. From one side of the scale, he put all the jnana, vairagya and austerity. And on the other side of the scale, Brahmaji put the Bhagavad.
Outside all Shastras.
Sorry. One side, all the Shastras. One side of the scale, only the Shastras. All the Shastras, sorry. And the other side of the scale, the fruit of listening to Bhagavad.
Bhagavad Katha.
Okay, but it's the side. Yeah, all the Upanishads and all the books which speak about Jnana, Vairagya and all, they were very high, which means they're very lighter. And the fruit of listening to Bhagavatam, only the Srimad Bhagavatam is very heavy, which means it's much more important. So you achieve thousands and billions more fruits of listening only to Bhagavatam to the all other Shastras. So Brahmaji, he announced in Kali Yuga, all listen to Bhagavad Katha, all you should listen to Bhagavad. Because if you listen to Bhagavad, all the kinds of sins of living entities will be destroyed and the soul will directly attain to God. And also Bhagavad is directly the form of bhakti. In the glory of Bhagavatam, also there's an explanation very beautiful about this. Bhakti Devi, for herself, in the story of her life, he explains that one time, she explains the story is Narada Rishi one day was traveling from many places and he came to Vrindavan. And when Narada Rishi came to Vrindavan, he saw one UFO lady with her two sons crying. And the sons were very old. The two sons were very old and their body were frail. Fragile, okay. And the young lady said, please send Mahatma, be merciful. And Narada Rishi asked her, who are you? Tell me. And this youthful lady said, what is my name? My name is Bhakti Devi. She said, I was born in Rabil Desh. I was born in South Tamil Nadu, south of India. I was born there. Bhakti Devi said, and after that, I slowly, I grew up. Then I went to Karnataka. After that, I gave birth to two sons. I took my two sons and I came to Gujarat. When I came to Gujarat, I saw, what did I see? That my two sons, they became youthful and I became old. After that, I gave up Gujarat. I went out from Gujarat. It's good. This is written in Bhagavad. I went out from Gujarat taking my two sons and I came to Vrindavan. When I came to Vrindavan, something very amazing happened. I became youth. Remember, I was old in Gujarat. But when I came to Vrindavan, I became youth. And my two sons, they were youth and they became old. They became very much old. How possible the mother is young? The mother becomes young and the sons become old. So my sons were like fainted, no? Because unconscious. They were so much like old. Their body was like a terrible condition. They were almost dying. And what?
क्या करें?
What to do? They were like in very
ये दोनों
terrible
बेटा
condition
क्या
of
है?
life.
इनके दो बेटा कौन
Remember
है?
who are the two
ज्ञान
sons of
और
Bhakti
विराग।
Devi? Gyan and Barag, knowledge and renunciation.
ज्ञान।
Gyan,
ये वे
Barag.
नारद ऋषि
So
मुझे
they were very much
बताइए।
old, almost dying, in fainting position.
नारद
like
ऋषि
this.
कहने
So
लगा,
Bhakti Devi asked
मैं देखता
Narada
हूँ।
Rishi, what can I do? Narada Rishi said, okay. Narada Rishi came to the three sons.
उपनिषद के कथा सुनाया।
He told them all the Upanishad Katha, but nothing happened. So nothing changed.
जे गीता के भी श्रवण करा दिया।
He even
गीता
told
को
the
श्रवण
Gita
कराने
to
से
them, Bhagavad Gita.
दोनों बेटा के थोड़ा आँख
But after listening to the Bhagavad Gita, only their eyes a little bit open. Not that I'm saying this is written. After listening to the
तो दोनों बेटा
Bhagavad Gita from
ज्ञान
Narada Rishi,
दो बेटा
again Vairagya, these two sons,
थोड़ा
a little bit, their
पकड़ कर लिया। आँख के खोला फिर उसको
Kartavali,
नहीं पाया।
they could not even completely open their eyes because their body was so much like no strength, nothing, so much old. They could not even almost weak. What to do? Then Narada Rishi left that place. Walking, he went to Badrikashram. Then he met his four brothers, which are the four Kumaras, Sanaka, Sanatana, etc. Then he said, my brothers, please tell me. I saw these two sons, very in this kind of state, these two persons, the two sons of Bhakti Devi. They are in Vrindavan. I told them all Veda Puranas Upanishads. I told them everything. Even the Bhagavad Gita I told them. But nothing gave any fruit. Then the four Kumaras said, oh brother, Narada Rishi, do one thing. Go to them and go to these two sons of Bhakti Devi and tell them Bhagavad Katha. Then Narada Rishi, again he came back. He came to the two sons of Narada Rishi. Oh, sorry, two sons of Bhakti Devi. And then he told them Bhagavad Katha. Then what happened? These two sons, they stood up, and Bhakti Devi was also very happy. And this shows the glory of Bhagavad in the whole world. If you, after listening to Bhagavad, what will happen? Automatically, Jnana Vairagya will come in your life, knowledge and renunciation. So in Bhagavad is said, this look, Vasudevi Bhagavati, Bhakti Yoga Prajutta. After you have Bhakti for Vasudevi, Lord, naturally, the Jnana Vairagya will come. You will be unattached, not attached to material things. And again, you'll come also, knowledge. So we should listen to Bhagavad Gita. And Bhakti Devi will manifest. And when Bhakti Devi manifests, automatically you'll achieve God. To achieve God, Upanishads what says? Bhakti Reva Naveti Darshayati. Only through Bhakti you can achieve God. Only through Bhakti you can see God. Bhakti Devi will take you directly to God. Bhakti Devi to His lotus feet. Bhakti Deva Darshati. If Bhakti Devi manifests in your heart through Bhakti, you will be able to directly see God. Darshan. Understand? How this look also says, Brahma Samhita, Jnana Salakaya. No, these are those looks, sorry. The pranam to Gurudev. Gurudev, what he does, he put the kajal, you know kajal. The mothers, they put in the babies, the kajal. They put this black, for what?
Make the eye sharper.
To make the eyes sharper. So in the same way, sharp, better, good for the eyes to put the kajal. So also the Guru puts the kajal of Gyan in our hearts. You know this pranam, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Jnana Timirandasya. So this is the pranam mantra of Guru. The Guru puts, we're almost finished because Maharaj wants to speak something. But so the Guru puts this kajal of Gyan in our hearts, in our eyes, So one Guru, one Shishya, disciple. One disciple came to Gurudev and said, Gurudev, you what?
Very skinny.
You're very skinny. If I see you, I don't have, Bhakti doesn't come in my heart. I don't have Bhakti and Shraddha in my heart because when I see you, because you're so much thin, Gurudev, so much skinny, thin. Today I went to that, it was the day of Guru Purnima. In the day of Guru Purnima, Gurudev, on the day of Guru Purnima, I saw Santa Mahatmas seated. He was so much with the red cloth, and they were so much fat. They had so much big kantimala, but big, tilak. They were seated like this. They were so much fat, big body. So when I saw them, bhakti at once came in my heart, awakens in my heart. But Gurudev, you don't eat, you don't drink anything, you're so much thin. So what to speak of bhakti? Not even Shraddha I have when I see you. But when I see these other fat gurus, I have so much Shraddha and faith. Gurudeva said, you're crazy, disciple. Do you know the Guru Pranam mantra? But you see Guru according to your eyes, you're crazy. According to your eyes, you cannot have the Guru Darshan, see Guru. How you have Guru Darshan? If you listen to Harikatha from Guru, after you listen to Harikatha from Guru, then you can have the Guru Darshan, see Guru, The Guru Darshan happens after listening to Harikatha from him. Have you listened to Harikatha from him? No, I didn't listen to Harikatha. I was chanting Mala. I was chanting holy names. And I'll give him 100 rupees. No, he put a mala on my neck and he gave him 100 rupees. He put a tulsi mala on my neck. So, like he didn't listen to Harikatha. Guru Mantra.
He gave a guru.
He gave a Guru Mantra to him. That Guru was very fat. He was actually very foolish. He is ignorant. So what's that Guru Pranam Mantra? Tell me. The Guru asked the disciple. Then the disciple said, Om again. So he was a Gyani. This fat Guru, he was ignorant. He was not Gyani. He was not knowledgeable. He was a Gyani. Ignorant. Shalaka, You know the matches. Matches, like matches, lit fire, like matchbox matches. The matches, also the name of that. Shalaka. Salaka. Like a pen. Oh, that means also means which Guru is very thin. He's very knowledgeable. But that Guru is very fat. Eating, drinking.
To burn him and to kind of it takes more salt and butter. When it disappears.
Okay. If you spend more money burning a fat guru's body because so much fat, And we will have to listen to Katha with faith. Tomorrow we will continue. And tomorrow we will begin the Bhagavad Katha from first canto to 12th canto. Until what we can do, we'll speak a little bit. Because there's 18,000 slokas in Bhagavatam. How many chapters? 360. How many stories in the Bhagavad? So many stories of the kings and also many stories of Gyana and Vairagya in the, like Shukadeva Goswami falou, hey Maharaj Parikshit, in the Srimad Bhagavatam. There are so many stories of kings, also Gyana and Vairagya Katha, for many stories. He explains the stories through the stories. Explains but how the Bhagavatam begins? Nam Sankirtan. The root of everything is Nam Sankirtan. In the middle of Bhagavatam also there's also Nam Sankirtan. In the end also Nam Sankirtan. So what is the fruit of Bhagavat? It's Nam Sankirtan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Adi madhya ante cha sarvatra hari dhyate. Adi mein pratham.
So in the beginning, middle and end. Beginning we should do Bhagavat Nam, Harinam. And middle also and end also. Our life is also like this. Through Nama Sankirtana, our life begins, our life also continues through Nama Sankirtana. And in the time of death, also, we only need 2 syllables, Ram Nam or Krishna Nam. We should chant in time of death.